anything while he was doing his pre-harvest maintenance.
Yeah, you're gonna have to sit on that.
Alright, I'm gonna get the drone going, see if I can crash into some trees this year.
Losing my mind. It's gone. Gone.
Joe, do you think you should just drive the combine?
Guys, where put it? Come on, Jack. Let me open the door.
You gonna ride with Dad?
No.
No? I
I
bet you
want
would.
to be with Mommy. Daddy.
Hold on.
Daddy.
Watch out. No.
Daddy.
Don't
Be
worry.
fast.
Oh, too late. Don't fall. It might hurt. Try to change your butt first. Belt's a little loose there, bro. Joe, you don't have your sunglasses. How are you gonna fly the combine?
Fly the combine?
These!
What?
These!
Oh. Got room for me?
No.
Oh. Alright, cool. Cool. You hear him?
Is this gonna work?
No, I asked if he had room for me. He said no.
Why don't I do my sunglasses?
Nice butt. That's what the viewers want. Just shake it a little bit.
It don't shake. It don't
No?
jiggle.
No, Daddy.
Sit here, Jack.
I stay here and fly the drone with me. I did not know raspberries. Are they good? I just had one was really good. I didn't know we could get them this late in the year. Some of them are. Yummy. Alright, back to harvest. Actually, I'm just going to fly the drone here and eat raspberries. I'm going to try flying the drone. I'll have to get it going first. Make some puppets.
Huh?
Oh. Gotta make puppets.
I want paper.
Looks like. The arms out. So big.
I'm way taller than I
Okay.
am.
The moment of truth. Come here. Ready? Oh, it's all wet. Oh!
Welcome to my Thursday. And it's pretty late in the afternoon. I've been going all day. We got an issue. Full bin. We got a full hopper. And of course, we're nowhere near the semi. We'll get back there. Just not the most efficient way. But it's better than spilling beans. So it's another gorgeous day. Dusty, which the beans are dry. They're 10% moisture. So I'd like them to be a little wetter, but it is what it is. My work schedule, getting the combine ready, this, that, and everything else. They're just getting taken a little drier. Probably didn't help that we had 3 days in the 80s there that really dried them up. But they're cutting pretty decent. And I replaced a whole bunch of knives on the head this morning because it was being a little fussy last night. So we got some sharp teeth on there. And now in this field here, here, it's standing pretty decent. I'm able to clip along pretty decent. So we're going to get this semi-topped off, get it to market, and then try to fill it up again tonight. Or at least start on it. Stay tuned. Moisture, 10-4. No surprise there. Key dry. Dust storm, 2023. And so far, things are going pretty good. Knock on wood. Besides, I'm not a fan of this head I have. It's 16 foot wide. And some goofball, whoever planted this, when they were making their passes, they kind of got a little tight. So, yeah. Row 6 becomes row 7, and it's just not pretty. You're just fighting it. It's constant steering. Yeah, there's no technology here. I mean, there's technology, but battling. I can see so well. I got lights, but I got dust. I mean, the wind is headed that way, so we're farming. So, want to see something cool? Earlier I was talking about how we didn't have technology. Well, we upgraded a little bit this year. Well, can you read that? We're going to test some beans. It's thinking. 9.2. They're dry. 66 degrees outside. But my thought on technology, the tester my brother and I had purchased, 8 years ago, did not have the backlit screen. So, my brother, he bought a combine. This year will be the first year he's running his own. And he's obviously going to need the tester at the same time. I'm going to want the tester. So, keep things peaceful. I got a new one. Mine's got a backlit screen, so I can see what the moisture is in the dark. So I'm running in the dark. Gosh, you guys can see my boogers a lot, probably. Back to beaning. We're farming. We're back. I don't know if we'll be able to go. They're feeding in decent. We had that rain yesterday. Got about a 10. Shut it down. I tried, and I tried hard, but it didn't go. So it's noon now. Sun's been out all morning. It's only like 55, but there's been a nice breeze. As you can see, there's a glare there. To keep myself out of the field, I cleaned that window, and I might have to put a little Band-Aid on that fill tube. Gotta replace it, but that ain't happening today. So we're gonna go a little bit here, and then we'll take a sample, see what our moisture's at. And I'm guessing it should be fine because they were dry. The last load we took in was 10.5. So while that rain might have seemed like a curse, it was also a blessing because it should have added some moisture back in here, and moisture is money in the bean game. So we're gonna see how far we can go today. Hopefully get done. And well, we weren't quite full, but I didn't think I'd make it back around. So now we're dumping. So far so good. Gained a little bit of moisture. We went from 10.5 to 12, 2. And I haven't calibrated this new tester yet, but I know it's within half a point or whatever. So we're just gonna run with it. We'll get it calibrated some other day. Minor details. Jack, what are you doing? I just washed those this morning. Are you licking the windows? Are you licking the windows? Gosh, you got a boogery nose.